Hey everyone, welcome to NxtGig. All right, let's just get right into it. If you're a student, an innovator, a builder, you know this feeling. You spent so many hours learning, just grinding through one tutorial after another. You've mastered the syntax, you've got the knowledge, right? But then, late at night, that one question just kind of starts to creep in. You know the one. Sure, I can follow a tutorial. I've built like a dozen to-do list apps. But what have I actually shipped? What real-world problem have I actually solved? And that's it, right? It's this super frustrating gap between knowing how to code and knowing how to build something that really matters. And that, right there, that's the core fear, isn't it? The idea that you are totally theory-rich but completely experience-poor. You've got all this potential, all this skill packed away, but without a real project to show for it, man, it just feels like you're stuck in neutral, kind of watching the future get built from the sidelines. It is absolutely time to break out of that loop. And this is where the whole story just flips. It's about leaving that passive learning stuff behind and stepping into a place of action, a place designed for real impact. For our student, Arjun, this is that moment. He finds this portal. And look, this is not just another boring learning management system. This is an invitation to a totally different kind of experience. A choice to be a business client, a mentor, or what he is, a student innovator. This is what he sees when he gets inside. It's not some list of lectures or videos to watch. Nope. It's a dashboard for active projects, a command center, really, designed to turn your ambition into actual execution. This is where the real work, begins. Now, here's the most important part. NxtGig doesn't just toss you into a project and say, hey, good luck. No way. It actually equips you with an entire toolkit, one that's designed from the ground up to make sure you succeed. So how does it work? Well, it's all broken down into 3 really critical steps. First up is the match. The AI literally pairs you with a real company that has a real-world problem to solve. Next, the roadmap. The platform generates this custom execution learning plan that basically takes a huge, super intimidating project and untangles it into clear, manageable steps. And finally, you've got the safety net, an entire toolkit of templates and AI support that's baked right into the platform. Let's see what this actually looks like. The AI matching engine scans Arjun's skills and, bam, pairs him with a real project. We're done with mockups. He's now tasked with building an AI-powered reimbursement flow for a company's finance department. This is a real, tangible business need. And he's not just left to figure it out on his own. The platform instantly generates this for him, an AI-powered execution plan. That huge, complicated goal, suddenly it's untangled into a simple 5-step mission. Each step has its own checklists, its own defined tasks. That feeling of being totally overwhelmed, it's just gone, replaced by a clear path forward. So when Arjun hits his first big task, creating a business requirements document, a BRD, he's not flying blind. A conversational AI pops up and acts as his co-pilot, walking him through the entire process, section by section. It asks him the right questions to make sure that the final document is exactly what the client needs. Okay, so the plan is set, the tools are right there at his fingertips. Now it's time to build. This is that magic moment, the transition from planning to actually executing, from writing code to delivering for a client. Arjun isn't just coding in a vacuum here. He's got a 24/7 AI mentor that gives him feedback and helps him get unstuck anytime. He's not just finishing an assignment. He is shipping a real-world AI reimbursement agent that's actually going to be used. Every single line of code he writes is directly contributing to solving that client's problem. This is the leap from theory to real, tangible business impact. And making that leap, well, it creates something really profound. It's a fundamental change in who you are. It's a true transformation. Think about it. Arjun walked into this as a student, right? Someone who knows syntax, someone who follows tutorials. But he leaves as a forward-deployed engineer. And that's not just some fancy title, it's a completely new identity. It means you've gone from just writing code to solving real problems. You're not building mockups anymore, you're shipping actual products and delivering measurable value to a client. That's a huge shift. And hey, this isn't just a feeling. It comes with actual proof. Verifiable project cards for his portfolio, new skill badges popping up on his profile, a letter of appreciation from a seriously happy client, and yeah, a paid stipend for the work. These are not participation trophies, people. These are career-launching assets.
So, what does this all boil down to for you? It's a call to action. It's a clear invitation to step out of that tutorial trap for good and get into the command center.
You've got the skills. You've definitely got the ambition. You are the very first generation of AI native engineers, thinkers, and builders. The tools are here. The opportunities are real. So, let's go build the future. The NxtGig AI Accelerator is ready and waiting. It is time to stop just learning and finally start building.